Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, on today's video we'll be doing a morning skincare routine. Guys, if you are interested in knowing how I got rid of my scar and how I obtained clear skin, the glowing skin baby, so baby, do make yourself a favor and stick around because I'll be showing you each and every product that I use. Mwah! Let's get started. Love you. Preparing my face, I will also go in with cucumber ice, which is good in reducing puffiness, swelling, and also the skin irritation. And also, if you are having a problem with the eye bags, it is also good in getting rid of the eye bags. To cleanse and moisturize my face, I use this gel. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough the magic that is made by this soap, Dove's. Guys, it leaves my skin very fresh, soft, and very clean. I then go in with this perfect and radiant even tone Dale Detox Cleanser. The perfect nice win about it is the fact that it is a 3-in-1, which is a wash, syrup, and a mask. It is very good for the skin that is normal or prone to pimples, and it helps in terms of detoxing the skin, helps to fight pimples, control oil, and also reduces shine. It is a matte and it contains black rice and green tea extract. So we'll use this traditional tea, which is very good in fighting acne, red skin, and scratch marks. To get the perfect results on this tea, you need to use it 2 hours before eating anything, and also drink 3 cups daily for a minimum of 3 months. Then you will get your results, baby. Rinsing off the mask, I'll go in with this Rose Care Micellar Water in Oil. Guys, it is a personal choice whether to use the cotton pad or not. The reason I'm not using the cotton pad is because my skin can easily get irritated. My skin is very sensitive, so sometimes I don't use cotton pad, but sometimes I do use it, especially when I'm working around the area of the scar. But it's up to you whether you use it or you don't use it. If you don't use it, look how I am doing it. Just do it, like just do the way I am. On and apply this clear up, rebalance, and clear syrup. Guys, we are on our bring back our glow girl era. So guys, this is very good because it has pro vitamin B5. Guys, it will clear your skin and also hydrate your skin. Final touch-ups, you really need this Gaily, which is perfect and radiant even tone day cream, which restores even skin tone for a radiant complexion. The biggest win, it contains vitamin C, which is good in terms of brightening your skin and also get rid of your dark marks, scratch marks. The list is endless. Another nice win about this, it is the fact that it contains SPF 30 plus UVA filter, which protects skin against dark marks and helps reduce premature skin aging. Guys, the benefit of this are endless. And last but not least, guys, I always use this Every Sun, which is sunscreen. Guys, this sunscreen, I have been using it ever since I have known about sunscreen. It is very good, guys. It does not have any like skin irritations or anything of that sort, so it covers you throughout the day, and it does not even have cracks on your skin or any other things that could make you uncomfortable. So do try this brand, guys. I love it. For me, mwah. Guys, I hope you did love this video. If you watch up until this far, it means the video was very informative. So please drop your like, your sweet nice comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Me and you, we are besties. Trust me, you love me, I love you too. So let's stick together. Let's stick together. With God's love never fails. Love you. Mwah. Bye. And I wish somebody would have, should've warned it. Love it, but I kept ignoring.